Google. Turn on Wi-Fi dehumidifier.
Sure, turning on Wi-Fi dehumidifier.
This is the Wi-Fi Smart Vonhaus dehumidifier. 20 litres per day extract. The cable can be stored away in the rear water tank. The rear water tank can hold up to 4.5 litres of water. There is also a removable filter on the back of the dehumidifier unit, which can be cleaned periodically. Also included is a hose that can be attached to the rear of the dehumidifier to enable continuous water drainage. Now we will go through the included manual for the controls, setup and connecting it to Google Home and Amazon Alexa. To connect to Google Home and Alexa, you will need the Smart Life app, but I will go through the installation and setup of the app later in the video. There is a colour light bar on the front of the unit that will indicate what the current ambient humidity level is. Blue humidity level between 45%, green for humidity between 45 and 65%, and the red indicator light if the humidity is above 65%. But one thing to note, like most dehumidifiers I've tested, the reported humidity from the dehumidifier is actually lower than the actual room humidity, which I will demonstrate later. From the unit itself, you can alter the fan speed, from high or low, Next you can set a timer, press the timer button, then use the adjust button to set from 1 to 24 hours. Then on its own you can use the adjust button to set the humidity level from 30 to 80%. The mode button will switch from auto to continuous laundry mode. Pressing and holding on the mode button will set sleep mode. The lock button will activate the child lock function. Here you can see the setting of the humidity levels. To connect to your smart speakers and to your phone, first you need to turn on Wi-Fi. So to turn on Wi-Fi, hold down the timer button. Then from the QR code in the manual or from the Apple or Android App Store, download the Smart Life app. Either set up an account or log in if you already have an account. Click Add device. Continue while using this device. Wi-Fi dehumidifier. Being added. Added successfully. It's now showing the indoor humidity, the indoor temperature, and the setting. So now, if I turn it on, from the app on your phone, you can change the fan speed to low or high. You can also change the mode from strong, which is laundry mode, auto, or sleep. And then under more, you can set a schedule to turn on and off. So you can do the dates, repeat, power on, so you're going to lock the screen. Now to set it up to work with Google Home, go to Google Home, go to Plus, Device, this is the new app, link app and services, type Smart Life, and there's Smart Life. Link your device, agree. Wi-Fi dehumidifier, add to room, bedroom, done. And now on all devices, I now have Wi-Fi dehumidifier. Change the fan speed. It shows me the humidity. So now you can use your voice. Hey Google, Turn on Wi-Fi dehumidifier.
Sure. Turning on Wi-Fi dehumidifier.
Google, what's the Wi-Fi dehumidifier humidity?
Wi-Fi dehumidifier has a current humidity reading of 64%.
Set the Wi-Fi dehumidifier fan speed to high.
Sure. Setting Wi-Fi dehumidifier speed to high.
As I mentioned earlier, the dehumidifiers seem to be 8 to 10% lower than what the actual humidity of the room is. The dehumidifier has been on in the bedroom for just over 5 hours. Just to note, I have a solid wall house and a large ceiling within my bedroom, so the moisture does get high and is hard to remove. And it has dropped the humidity from around 69% to 60% in 5 hours. And how much power is it used? Today it's used just over 1 kilowatt, and it's cost around 25 pence for 5 hours of running. And then how much water has it taken out so far? That's how much it's taken in the window so far. So it's taken quite a lot of water out of the air. That was a look at the smart Vonhaus dehumidifier 20 litre. If you have any comments or questions, leave them down below.